Now to start with, as we have discussed before, we are going to use the Adobe Photoshop 2020 version. I have this version right here opened in my computer. You can simply double click on its icon on your desktop to open it. Let me show you. I have this icon right here. If I double click on this icon, I will have this window right here. Similarly, you should have your resources folder in your computer like this. So with that done, let's jump right into our Adobe Premiere Pro. If you are using 2020 version, you are going to see a window like this. Right here, you have your previous projects. Like any project that you have done before. I have so many projects. If I remove this filter, I can see all of my projects. So I'm going to add the text here. You are going to see something like this because you will not have any project while opening your Premiere Pro for the first time. Now simply you have two options right here. You can open a project from your computer or you can create a new project. For a start, we are going to click on this new project. If you will not see this window, you are using any older version of Premiere Pro, let me show you what you can do. You can go to File, click on New, and you can click on New Project. These are the same options. So let's click on the new project and you will have this window right here. Right here we have so many options. You will not have to get confused with them. The first one is the name of our project. So I am going to write my course first project. So this is the name of our project. Remember, this is not the name of your video. This is just the name of your project that you are going to save in your computer in the form of a project file. Then the location of the project is e/Adobe Premiere Pro/autosave. You can change the location like this. You can save it on a desktop or anywhere like this. Similarly, let's see what we have here. You will not have to change this option at the start. We are going to look at them later. The display format in your video should be timecode or frames or anything else. Similarly, in the audio format, this is a capture device. If you are using any additional capture camera device, you need to normally select HDV. But we are not going to change that yet. Then you have the scratch disk. Scratch disks are types of your temporary files for your project. You need to save your temporary files on the same folder where you have your project. Normally, we do not change our scratch disk, but let's suppose you do not have the space anywhere this partition of your computer. So this may create a problem. I have 24 GB here, so this is enough space for me to save my temporary files. So let's suppose you don't have your enough space in your partition. So you can change the destination of your scratch disk into any of your partition. Similarly, you have your ingest settings. We are not going to change these settings. Yes, let's click on OK to create our project. Wait for a while and then you will have your windows for your project.